What it do? Square and coffee, y'all already know me. Early in the morning. Give y'all a little update, rundown on the car. Alright, I had a couple of comments yesterday. Somebody said something about the belt hitting the boat. I was gonna shave it down, but it was just a simple fix. Then somebody else said something about the belt being one rib short. Man, let me tell y'all something. Man, I'm 43. I done probably had over 200 cars of my own. Buying them, selling them, trading them. But I done had literally probably 200 cars. Man, if I do something to a car, trust me, it's gonna be safe. When it leave my shop, it's gonna work. See, this right here is just an auxiliary alternator. This alternator is only gonna run my music. That belt right there is added on to a pulley that's on with the original alternator. So if this shit fails, it has nothing to do with the function of my vehicle. So for the person that said I be broke down on side of the road, something about the power steering, I'm just showing you my power steering is down there. It has its own belt. My alternator, pollution pump, water pump, AC compressor, everything got its own belt. And the way I designed this has its own belt. So if this belt breaks, snap, this alternator go out, it's just my batteries in the trunk won't be charging. It ain't got nothing to do with the vehicle. But yeah, everything looking smooth. I crunk it up. I sent the video out showing with it running, idling. I revved it up. No belt movement, no alternator movement. Everything looking good. You know, man, I'm creating this page not for negativity. I'm not no professional person. I just been doing this for a long time. This God-given talent. You know, everything I do, I'm gonna make sure it's right. I'm doing this to people's cars. This is my car personally. So this is where it all starts. I experiment with stuff on my car, and once I perfect it, then I let people know, hey, I'm doing this. Hey, I know how to do that. I'm not gonna put nobody on the road in danger. And if I do something to a person's car and it fail or it don't work right, just come back and see me. I even got a tow truck. I'll come get you. You know what I'm saying? There's no problem. I pack fair with everybody. I make sure everything I do is right. So on my page, I would like to keep like the negativity down. If you see me doing something and you see a mistake, instead of blasting me, just be like, hey, Big G, look, man, you pay attention to that right there. You know, 2 eyes better than one. Or shit, how many other people watching? You know, instead of, you know, let's uplift each other in this car game instead of quick to jump to the negativity. Oh, you gonna be broke down on side of the road. No, if you pay attention to the video, you'll see that it has its own belt. I'm not gonna be broke down on side of the road. So, I mean, y'all just try to keep the negativity down on my page, man. I'm not with all that, man. I'm trying to have something good going on, show y'all what I'm doing on cars. If you don't like it, I mean, just keep it moving. You don't even have to put a negative comment, man. I don't even want that in my community, man. Please. This is informal. We trying to inform each other. Iron sharpen iron, man. We need to cut out all the quick to be negative, man. Stop being so quick to be negative, man. Come on, man. We doing this a project, man. I'm showing y'all. If y'all like it, that's cool. If you don't, or if you see something wrong that I did or something that I can perfect or correct, man, shoot it at me. Trust me, when I see your message, I will respond. I'm not one of them people that don't respond. I will respond. Just give me some time. Sometimes I'll be busy, like I tell you. I'll be in here by myself a lot of the times. So I'll take my time out, check my messages, see, you know, I'm going to interact. This is what I'm trying to build this for people with questions, people who got answers. I might have a question. Somebody can help me. I don't go on people's page and the first thing I look for is to be negative. I'm going to shoot a comment and be like, hey, man, if you do this here, it might work a little better for you. Iron sharpen iron, man. Come on, y'all. We grown men out here, man. This ain't no schoolhouse shit, man. I'm 43 years old, man. This is not no schoolhouse shit, man. This is real life. This is how I pay my bills and make my money. So I'm not finna put no bullshit content out here, man. But yeah, man, Big G FSC, we out, y'all. I'm gonna see what this cold Sunday bring for today. I might get some batteries in the trunk wired up. I got 4 of these Supercell 4800s. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what all that mean, but I know when I had them in my Cadillac, I can jam and my voltage stayed up pretty good. So I'm gonna go back with these. I paid cool little money for them, so I'm gonna work with these. They all sitting at like 12 something, 12.8, close to 13, something like that. 12.5, 12.6, they all in that range. And they've been sitting up for a good little while, so yeah, might get some batteries hooked up today and maybe get the woofer amps wired up. But yeah, appreciate all y'all feedback, all the love. Like I say, y'all, this is something I'm doing. You know, y'all, as y'all can see, I don't have no big old shop with the lifts and all of the fancy tools and all that, man. I'm getting it out the mud. I don't have no bunch of money. I just got a mean hustle, but I got a lot of bills and I take care of my business first. I put my priorities first and I play later. You know what I'm saying? So I learned how to do shit with the talent God gave me and it brings me money. So, you know, in my eyes, I'm all right.